beautiful Topsail Island, North Carolina. It's Saturday, July 27th. And we're going to see if we can catch a few fish, see if we can catch some lunch. Not asking for a lot, just asking for a few. Glad you guys can join me, and we'll see what we can do today. Shark or something got hold of him right there. That fish don't look good. Yeah, like a shark got hold of him. Alright, we got a fish on. I think we do. I don't know. Nah. If we do, he's swimming right at me. Yeah, he was swimming right at me. Little old junior mullet. I think we might have a fish on. Feels like we do. I think there's much to it. Yeah, we got a little something there. Got a little something there. Oh yeah. Oh. No. Oh man. That was a nice black drum. Nice black drum. Man, damn. Oh well, we'll try again. Guys, so there you go. Don't count your fish before they're in the cooler. That was a nice little black drum. He came off. It hadn't been for that, he was laid up, and I was going to kick him up on the beach, and at that moment another wave come in and ruined it. So yeah, that's the way it goes though.